Okay, so this is just a quick video to show you how to add alternative hosts to your Zoom meetings. You'll be needing to do this whenever you are going to be out for a day or two rather than having a sub. So what you'll do is you find this setting in as you schedule a meeting. So you go to click schedule and then adjust whatever of the radio buttons are appropriate. And then if you click advanced options down at the bottom, you see that you can add alternative hosts. You just do this by typing the person's entire email address. Now it doesn't know our address book. So before you start this, you're going to need to know the email address that you're going to type. So for example, if you're sharing it to me, then my email is pjorda@neisd.net. And then when you hit enter, it will add that to the list of hosts. So then at that point, whenever you schedule a meeting, this will be part of your settings. So basically, if I were to click schedule here, that will be true for the first time I schedule the meeting. And then unless you delete me, I will be an alternative host at any other time you start that meeting. It'll save into your settings. And I think the best choice would probably be just to leave myself, Carrie, or whoever we assign to do subs in that spot. All right, let me know if you have questions. Thanks.